inside this travel center in Kentucky, they have some cool stuff made out of metal. There's a horse. And another one.
I want to.
Over here's a dog. Dog on motorcycle. Dog playing banjo. Dog. Frog. I don't know for sure. I guess that's a cat. Dog on some kind of little something. Tractor or something. I guess you don't mind if I film this, do you?
Not at all.
Okay. Pretty cool stuff.
Certainly is.
Yep. Very cute. We'll call this a stork since I don't know what to call it. And the little stork, or bird, has a little light fixture. Fish. And we'll call this one a great blue heron. Just very cute. This one here, I'm going to call it a big. Because you know what? With art, you can just call it whatever you want. There's a guy that made a dog. Caught himself a fish. This one here kind of looks like an ostrich. Some kind of, I guess that's a lobster, maybe? We'll say. Who knows? But this is the one I like. I love frogs, and I love toads and turtles. And there's a frog. It's only $94. I think I'll get a couple. I'm just kidding, guys. A little above what I'm going to spend. Surely you like it. There's another frog. Got himself a bug. These are just cool. And this, I'm going to call this a turtle. Because that surely is what it looks like to me. Great big turtle. And what's this? An elk? And I guess that's another, we'll say it's a frog. Some kind of critters. I'm going to call it a squirrel because of the tail, which is made out of a spring. This one I'm going to call it a grasshopper. It's cute. A dog with a gun. That's what we need. We need dogs with guns, don't we? What a cool idea. I like that. Okay, there is a horse on a motorcycle, and he just ran over a cat and flattened him out. So cute. Here's frogs working in the yard, cutting grass and shoveling. This is just too cute. There's a snorkeling frog. This I'm going to call a dragonfly. Then here's a frog. He is grilling some bugs. Oh, wow. And he's got himself a beer. So, I'm telling you, people are ingenious what they come up with. Okay, here's a frog with a little baby frog, and he's reading "Good Night Moon" to the baby frog. Guys, I ran into Santa Claus in my travels. So there you go, and he is all fancied up. And look at his pretty blue eyes. Okay, I've got to make a decision on what this is, whether it's a snake or a dragon. Whatever it is, it's got glasses on, so it's either nearsighted or farsighted. Reading its book. This is just really, really cute. So I'll just pin it on here, and you guys can decide what you want to call it. There's the tail curled around. The orange dragon color look. So, and the eyes are bugging out. He's got those books stacked up high. You can take whatever you want and turn it into a work of art. So there you have it. This looks like these little 1-inch sticks to support this unique artful thing. And here again, here's something else quite unique. This is a must stop for anybody that enjoys arts and crafts. Over here is really a beautiful fish. And that's made out of pieces of metal. For the eye, I don't have a clue what's used, but it works well. Very nice. I'm calling these little guys penguins. Let's see if it says. Oh no, it's saying calling all crows. So that's only $600, guys. Calling all crows. Mama bear and baby bear.